The Indian Air Force is set to witness history with the first ever all-women drill team as 29 Agniveer Vayu women currently serve to commemorate Kargil Vijay Divas on July 26 at India Gate. Paying their tribute to the Kargil war heroes, these women warriors will showcase their precision, discipline and unwavering spirit, promising an event that symbolizes strength, solidarity and the breaking of new ground in addition to their performance. Meanwhile, on Friday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit the Kargil War Memorial to honour the brave hearts who made the supreme sacrifice in the line of duty to defend the nation's sovereignty. The IF's decision to honour the Agniveer Vayu Square on this momentous day reflects profound respect for the bravery and tenacity shown during the Kargil War 25 years ago. The IF executed thousands of strike missions and helicopter sorties to bolster the army's efforts in this critical battle, significantly influencing its outcome. Their efforts played a pivotal role in shaping India's military history by securing victory over the enemy. The celebrations marking the silver jubilee of this victory, known as Kargil Vijay Divas Rajat Jayanti, have been nothing short of extraordinary. The IF has honoured the heroes who sacrificed everything for the country, from Air Force Station Sarseva to the skies above. The impressive air display showcased the IF's technological capabilities and operational readiness, featuring the Jaguar Su-30 MKI and Rafale fighter aircraft alongside the Akash Ganga team. In addition to commemorating the Agniveer Vayu team's historic accomplishment, let us also celebrate the unwavering spirit of our military services as we anticipate the ceremony at India Gate. Reflecting on the heroism and dedication of those who serve our country as well as its strength and solidarity embodies the essence of this occasion. Memorial service on the Kargil Vijay Divas reminds us that beyond paying respect to the past, we must continue to steer our nation steadily towards a future of stability and security.